And the next special commendation goes to Akbar Brothers Private Limited. Akbar Brothers Private Limited. And next we have Ceylon Biscuits Limited. Ceylon Biscuits Limited for the next commendation award. I'm presenting the next special commendation to Samson Industries Private Limited. Samson Industries. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the special commendation awards being presented for the extra large scale manufacturing. And we are ready to welcome next on stage to receive the special commendation, Ansell Textiles Lanka Private Limited. Ansell Textiles Lanka Private Limited coming up on stage to receive the special commendation. And please welcome next, ladies and gentlemen, Hemas Manufacturing Private Limited. Brewery, Ceylon PLC for the next special commendation. Brewery, Ceylon PLC. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome next Siam City Cement Lanka Limited. A special commendation. Right, final special commendation award to be presented in this stage. We have Ceylon Agro Industries Limited. Ceylon Agro Industries Limited. All right, congratulations to the winners so far. So thank you very much to our presentation party. Thank you very much to our chief guest, Honorable Deputy Minister of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development, Chaturanga Besingha, gracing this occasion. Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Minister. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we'll be breaking for some commercials, followed by more entertainment.